Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to send email campaign in Mailchimp. Well, first of all, just need to go to Mailchimp website as you can see on your screen. And we have here two buttons. As you can see on the top right, we have log in and sign up. So you can log in your current account or if you want to sign up and create your new account. So basically click on sign up button and now you'll go here on this page. So you can choose here either you want a premium plan, standard, essentials, or just a free plan. So for this sample, just want to select and click on this sign up for free. Now once I click on this one, you want to go on this page, sign up for Mailchimp, enter an email, username, and password, and then you will receive this on your email. So basically click on activate account. Now, once you've done setting up your account, as you can see, you will now go to your Mailchimp dashboard. Now, here on your dashboard, to create your new email campaign, just need to click this create button right here at the top left of your screen. So if you click on this create button, you will definitely go to this page. So create something that gets noticed. So you can choose right here, either you are creating regular email, automation, or you are creating landing page. So for this sample, just want to click on design email. So I just want to create a campaign. So once I click on this design email button, you will now go to this page. So basically, you just need to complete these details: add recipients, add from, add subject, edit send time, and design email. Now you can also add your email link right here or add a social post to your email. Now once you've done, as you can see, I have already entered my recipients and also the subject of this email campaign. Now basically, we're going to click on this design email to create our very own email campaign. So we're going to click on this button, design email, and you will now go to this page. Basically, you just need to select a template. We're going to go here, Mailchimp templates, save templates, recently sent emails, draft emails, or code your own. So we want to go here on Mailchimp templates. We have email purpose, industry, and plan. So for example, I want to go here on email purpose. And here you will find educate, inform, invite to events, sell products, sell service, thank you, welcome, seasonal. I want to sell products, so I just want to click on the sell products button. And here you will find all the templates that you can actually use. But some of the templates here, you need to upgrade your plan. So basically use that template. So for this sample, just want to use this random template right here at the bottom. So I just want to go in this template. So basically we have some options here. You can add content, you can add layouts, you can add some styles, you can add, or you can optimize your own page. So for this example, first thing I want to do is edit my logo. So when I click on the logo right from here, basically you just need to click on set logo, and you just need to choose a logo in your folder. So I don't have a logo yet, but I will just select any image right here, just an example. So I just want to use this image right from here at the bottom, and basically just need to wait here. Once you've done, you can actually edit or resize your logo and also the alignment for your campaign. So I just want to select the center and I want it to make it smaller like this. And then if you want to add some product image, basically you just need to click on this image right here and just click on add. You can actually add your or upload image, or you can browse images. So for this, I just want to click upload image. And again, I don't have a product image, so I just want to use some example right here. So for example, just want to use this. And again, you can also resize your product image right from here. Now you can actually add some button text here or some descriptions. You can add your social media links, or maybe if you erase this one, just remove that one. And you can add, go to the product. If you want some add some product, just drag and drop this product option right here or content, and basically connect your store. So if you have Shopify, basically connect it on your email campaign. Now, if you are willing to add social links, just need to drag and drop. And here you can add your Facebook account, Instagram, X account right here. So you just need to set up and customize your own email campaign. Once you've done, click on save and exit. So from here, again, just need to customize or add some recipients or edit your subject right from here. So basically, once you've done right here, you just need to click on the send button right there at the top right to basically send this email campaign. Now, as you can see, this is the preview of the email campaign that you've sent. So that's all. That's how you basically send email campaign with this Mailchimp. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.